In this video, we're walking you through the step-by-step installation of a Boshart yard hydrant. First, dig a hole approximately 24 inches or more in diameter and below the frost line. Then, flush the water line and clean off the pipe where the hydrant will be installed. Connect the hydrant elbow to the pipe. In this example, we are connecting the hydrant to a water meter, so we will be using a T. Place a large patio stone or cement block at the bottom of the hole to prevent settling. Tighten the hydrant elbow using 2 pipe wrenches. One will keep the valve body from turning and the other will tighten the connection. This installation was done for the local township, which required the hydrant to be connected to a water meter. These are steps you wouldn't see in a typical installation. Next, connect the hydrant valve body to your water supply line. Make sure the hydrant valve body is installed vertically, straight up and down. Tighten with 2 wrenches. A properly aligned hydrant will drain correctly when shut off. Install the provided street elbow to the drain port at the bottom of the hydrant. Be sure the elbow faces downward to allow proper drainage. Tighten securely. If everything looks good, you can begin backfilling around the hydrant. With the hydrant in place, turn on the water supply line. Raise the handle to fill the hydrant and flush the line. Then slowly close the hydrant. Water should be flowing and the standpipe should drain completely through the street elbow. Once the hydrant drains correctly, check all supply line connections for leaks. Do not continue if any leaks are present. Then, cover the stone with landscaping fabric or plastic to prevent fine soil from clogging the drain. Finally, backfill the hole with soil, keeping the hydrant in a vertical position. Install the flow adjustment thumb bolt and the installation is complete. Your yard hydrant is now properly installed and ready to use. For long-lasting performance, remember to always allow the hydrant to drain fully after each use. If you run into any issues while installing your yard hydrant, visit Boshart's knowledge base for troubleshooting ideas.